We live in a world awash in data. Like stars scattered across the cosmos, these data points hold secrets waiting to be unlocked. Data visualization is our telescope, allowing us to peer into the vast expanse of information and discern patterns and insights. But the journey of discovery doesn't end there. Just as astronomers share their findings to advance our understanding of the universe, sharing data visualizations is crucial to unlocking the full potential of data. Imagine a lone astronomer gazing at the stars. They might make incredible discoveries, but without sharing their knowledge, their insights remain isolated. Similarly, data analysis shouldn't be a solitary endeavor. Sharing your data visualizations allows others to explore your findings, challenge assumptions, and contribute their own perspectives. This collaborative spirit fuels innovation, leading to more robust and impactful insights. Tableau understands this fundamental truth. That's why they've created powerful tools like Tableau Server and Tableau Public, platforms designed to make sharing and collaboration on data visualizations seamless and intuitive. These platforms transcend the limitations of static reports, fostering a dynamic environment where data comes alive and insights are shared freely. In this exploration, we'll embark on a journey through the cosmos of Tableau Server and Tableau Public. We'll uncover the secrets to publishing your dashboards, mastering the art of collaboration, and ultimately, unleashing the full potential of your data. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for liftoff. Our data-driven adventure is about to begin. Imagine a centralized hub, a repository where all your organization's data visualizations reside, easily accessible to those who need them. That's the essence of Tableau Server, a platform designed to revolutionize how organizations interact with data. It's not just about storing dashboards, it's about fostering a data-driven culture where insights are readily available to inform decisions at every level. Setting up Tableau Server is like building a state-of-the-art observatory. It requires careful planning and execution, ensuring it's robust enough to handle your organization's data demands. Thankfully, Tableau provides comprehensive resources and support to guide you through the process. Once set up, Tableau Server becomes the central nervous system of your organization's data ecosystem. The benefits of embracing Tableau Server are numerous and far-reaching. Imagine a world where reports are updated automatically, eliminating the need for manual intervention. With Tableau Server, this becomes a reality. Schedule your data refreshes, and watch as the latest insights flow seamlessly into your dashboards. No more outdated reports, just real-time data at your fingertips. But Tableau Server's capabilities extend far beyond automation. Security is paramount in today's data-driven world, and Tableau Server rises to the challenge. Control user access with granular permissions, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected. You control who sees what, safeguarding your data while fostering a culture of transparency. With Tableau Server, you're not just sharing data, you're sharing it securely and responsibly. You've poured your heart and soul into crafting the perfect data visualization. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world, or at least with your colleagues. Publishing to Tableau Server is your launchpad, propelling your insights into the hands of decision-makers. Fear not, the process is as intuitive as launching a model rocket. First, ensure your dashboard is prepped for launch. Double-check your calculations, refine your visuals, and ensure your story is clear and compelling. Once your masterpiece is ready, navigate to the Server menu in Tableau Desktop and select Publish Workbook. It's as simple as setting the coordinates for your rocket's trajectory. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Tableau Server credentials and choose a destination for your dashboard. Think of this as selecting the launchpad that best suits your mission. Once published, your dashboard will be accessible to those with the proper clearance. But sharing data is not a matter of simply granting access. It's about providing the right level of access to the right people. Tableau Server allows you to fine-tune permissions with the precision of a seasoned astronaut adjusting their trajectory. Grant viewing privileges to those who need to stay informed, while reserving editing rights for authorized personnel. You control the flow of information, ensuring your data remains in the right hands. Congratulations, your dashboard has reached orbit. Now it's time for your colleagues to embark on their own data exploration, guided by the insights you've so carefully curated. Navigating Tableau Server is like piloting a spaceship through a sea of stars. The interface is intuitive, designed to make exploring data an engaging and rewarding experience. Imagine zooming in on a particular data point, revealing a wealth of hidden details. With Tableau Server's interactive features, this becomes a reality. Filters allow users to slice and dice data with ease, uncovering patterns and trends that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. It's like having a powerful telescope that lets you zoom in on any corner of the cosmos. Sharing specific insights is as easy as charting a course to a distant star. Simply copy and paste the URL of your desired view, and voila! Your colleagues can jump directly to the heart of the matter, their journey facilitated by your expert navigation. No more searching through endless reports, just pure, unadulterated insight. But the journey doesn't end there. Tableau Server fosters a sense of community, allowing users to leave comments and engage in discussions directly on the dashboard. It's like gathering around a holographic star chart, sharing observations and debating interpretations. This collaborative spirit is what elevates data visualization from a solitary endeavor to a shared journey of discovery. Alright, so you've made some fascinating discoveries. Now it's time to share them with the world. Whether it's through a blog post, a presentation, or social media, your insights can make a difference. Remember, sharing is not just about showcasing your work, but also about sparking conversations and inspiring others. Next up, let's talk about using Tableau Public. Tableau Public is a free platform that allows you to create and share interactive data visualizations online. It's user-friendly and accessible, making it a great tool for beginners and experts alike. To get started, simply download the software, create your visualization, and then publish it to the Tableau Public Gallery. Now, let's dive into the key to unlocking data's true potential. It's not just about collecting data, but about analyzing it and drawing meaningful conclusions. The real power of data lies in its ability to tell a story, reveal patterns, and drive informed decisions. By leveraging the right tools and techniques, you can transform raw data into actionable insights. To wrap things up, let's go over the key takeaways. First, always strive to share your discoveries with the world. Second, utilize tools like Tableau Public to create and share interactive visualizations. And finally, remember that the true potential of data lies in its ability to inform and inspire. Thanks for joining us, and happy data exploring.